Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst and I have come up with a beautiful stock for you all. I have already given it on the channel. So if you don't know what is my channel, it is Stock Pro Official. This is my channel and the stock that I'm going to talk about is the Prudent Corporation, and you should really know why it looks good, all the reasons you should be absolutely aware of. In case you don't know the channel link, it's stockpro_online. You can join me for the live trading every single day. We do live trading on the YouTube. And if you open up any of our video, if you just open up, you will see on the top the link of our Telegram channel. In case you're not being able to find it, because sometimes Google doesn't support it, you just go to the Telegram and type stockpro_online and you will be able to contact our team or you will be able to join the channel. So with this information, let me start. Let me just begin with today's work, which I'm going to be talking about. The stock called Prudent. So this particular company Prudent was launched on 20th May 2022. So this was launched at about 650 rupees. After that, it came down and it consolidated. It consolidated for good, almost like a month and a half. 17th June onward, it's been just consolidating. And a few days back, it gave a breakout. Its consolidation happened at the level of 470. And then 518 when the breakout came, and today again it gave a fresh breakout. So my first target in this stock is going to be 650. And as I always tell you, that you must know the business where you are investing. Like when you're doing trading, you don't need to worry because trading is for short duration, like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 day, 2 day. In that, fundamentals doesn't matter. You book profit and come out. So here is Prudent. I've opened it on screener.in. And the stock is Prudent Corporate Advisory Services. This company is about 2,450 crore company. Current price is 592. High is 660 and low is 461. PE is 30.5. Book value. Have a look at the ROCE. 52%. Have a look at ROE. Return on equity is about 41%. Huge amount of returns. And what are the pros? Company is almost debt free and company has good return on equity. Or like if you take 3 years consolidated return, then it's about ROE is about 36%. The only con is that the stock is trading at almost like 10 times its book value. Who are the competitors here? Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finance, SBI Card, Chola Investment, Bajaj Holding, Muthoot Finance, HDFC, AMC. So these are the competitors. So if you have a look at the competitors, then definitely PE is on a higher side only, except Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance and SBI Card. All are, like even HDFC, AMC has a bigger, PE. Let's have a look at how the company has been performing. Right now we're talking about investments. We should be clear about what has been company's growth year-on-year basis. So sales have grown from 2021 to almost like from 87 crores to 128 crores. That's almost like 50% growth. Expensive has also gone up, but operating profit margins have been almost steady for the last 3 quarters at 35, 32, 35 and 32. Like these are the and if you look into the percentage, 28%, 26%, 25%. If we look into the year-on-year basis from 2019 to March 2022, almost sales have doubled. And expenses have also gone up, but the profits have also gone up. And again, see the operating profit margins have been very, very stable. Now let's have a look at the share capital which has been, like from 111 to 21. I think it's been diluted. And reserves, if you see, have been continuously growing, whereas the debt has been reducing quite drastically. Now, a very, very important aspect, cash from operating activity has been very, very consistent, although they have been they are investing their cash into purchasing they're purchasing investments, and they're also selling investment at the same time. And there is some other investing items also, like there is an expense of about 140 crores. Debtor days have gone down drastically from 126 to 76, and cash conversion cycle has also gone down, which is a very positive sign. Promoters holding is 58% and FI is 1% and DI is about 10.5%. Public holding is almost like 30%. So this is how the company looks. Fundamentals look very, very strong, very, very powerful. And where we stand, I am giving you a target of about 1200. You got to hold it at least 1000, at least I'm giving you for 1 year. It may happen well before, but 1000 I'm giving you minimum, but a target of 1200 is also gone nowhere. At least 100% return you can expect in 1 year. Now let's come back and see what does this company exactly do. So this is the company, this company's website, which is Prudent, Prudent Money. I can't read the whole thing, but anyway, what they exactly do. Serving the unique needs of HNI, high net worth Indians and ultra high net worth Indians, right? Proactively addressing the complex needs of intergenerational wealth by providing investment solutions through a combination of multi-products like mutual fund, PMS, structured product, mutual fund broking, property, loan advisory, etc. So basically, they are advisors in the space of finance, and I think I like these kind of products. Why? Because there is not much of expenses required. They're not manufacturing anything. They're just offering services. Like for example, mutual funds, insurance. Insurance is one of the most lucrative business. Stockbroking is a very, very lucrative business. The participants, members can, gain or lose, but stockbroker will always earn money. Fixed income products, property loans. So all of their products are very, very attractive products. And I believe these kind of companies will always grow. You can have a look at the Zerodha's growth, how beautifully they have grown, right? So the company looks to be in a very good sphere of finances. And I always feel these kind of companies will always be a best investment. So this is Prudent, and you have to keep accumulating. If the stock goes down to 470, that looks to be the boundary as of now, but above 650 it will be unstoppable till 1000 and 1200. So that's my prediction. Hope you like the analysis. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share it with others, and do join me for the live trading every single day, right? We have given good trades today as well, although market was pretty much indecisive. So do join me for the live trading. Even tomorrow we're going to be having the live trading session. So see you in the live market. All the best. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.